Time to talk about some of the features that use a micro SD card, starting with local recording. To use these settings, insert a micro SD card in the small slot underneath the Wyze Cam. And it is highly recommended that you do this with the Wyze Cam unplugged. After you've inserted your micro SD card, go ahead and plug back in your Wyze Cam. And you should hear the Wyze Cam make this sound to let you know that the micro SD card was correctly installed. We recommend using a Class 10 32GB micro SD card formatted in FAT32, though some of our community members have been having success with other options. We'll put a link to the recommended micro SD card in the description of this video below. Once you've inserted the micro SD card, hop back into your Wyze app, and once you've jumped into an individual Wyze Cam, click on the gear icon in the top right corner. And this time we're going to select Advanced Settings. Right at the top you'll see Local Recording to Micro SD Card. If you don't have a micro SD card installed in your Wyze Cam, you'll get an error message when you try to turn on local recording, letting you know that your Wyze Cam cannot detect a micro SD card. If you definitely have a micro SD card installed and this error is still showing up, unplugging your Wyze Cam and plugging it back in will fix the problem. With a micro SD card correctly recognized, you'll be able to choose between Record Alerts Only and Continuous Recording. Recording Alerts Only is similar to the alert videos that are saved to the cloud, but they're saved to your micro SD card, and they're saved in 1-minute increments instead of 15-second increments. There isn't a cooldown period for these though, so if you have an event that lasts longer than 1 minute, your Wyze Cam will also save the next minute's footage, and that will keep going until the camera no longer detects motion or sound. So following up on our previous example, if you have someone dancing in front of the camera, recording on event will cause Wyze Cam to record sequential 1-minute video clips until the dancing stops and motion or sound is no longer detected. Recording Alerts Only is a good way to preserve space on your micro SD card and get coverage for a much longer time period, because as soon as the card gets full, the oldest footage is automatically overwritten by Wyze Cam to make room for the new videos. So with Recording Alerts selected, that storage space will last much longer than when you're recording everything with continuous recording. Continuous recording, on the other hand, will tell your Wyze Cam to constantly record video to your micro SD card 24/7. Anything that happens in front of the Wyze Cam at any point will be captured. This can be great for certain circumstances, but also means there will probably be plenty of footage where nothing happens. And it will also cause the micro SD card to fill up faster. So with a 32GB card, expect videos to be saved for just a few days before being overwritten by new videos. No matter which option you choose, Wyze Cam will record on a rolling basis, automatically replacing the oldest files with the newest ones. And that's it for setting up continuous recording. Next, we'll discuss using playback to review the footage recorded on your micro SD card. We'll see you guys in the next video.